Assalamualaikum friends, welcome to GTech TV. Today I am going to solve quiz number 1 for digital marketing. So let's start the quiz. Our first question is, which statement is not true for a blog? Blogs are focused for one purpose only. Blogs allow user response. Blogs are updated frequently. Blogs have static content. Blogs have static content. This is not right actually. Blogs don't have static content. Static content means that it is not changing. It is static. It is stationary. So let's move to another question. Question number 2. Biggest platform for blogs is Fiverr.com, YouTube.com, Blogger.com or Yahoo.com. So of course the answer is Blogger.com. Blogger.com बहुत बड़ा blog platform है. So let's move to another question. Question number 3. Which one of the following is not a part of communication? To deliver products to others, to convey messages to others, to convey the vision to others, or to transfer information to others. So I think to convey the vision to others, either this or to deliver products to others. So one of these is correct. So I will go for this one. So question number 4 is here. Which one of the following is not a social media platform? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn or Fiverr? So as we know that Facebook, Twitter and LinkedIn are social media platforms and Fiverr is not a social media platform. Let's move to another question. Our 5th question is, which one of the following is not a freelancing platform? Fiverr, Upwork, Instagram, people per hour. Instagram. Fiverr भी freelancing platform है, Upwork भी, people per hour भी, Instagram नहीं. Let's move to another question. Question number 6. Static ads are ads in picture form, ads with text only, video ads or pop-up ads. So static ad means that your ad is still static. So ads in picture form is static ad. So let's move to another question. Question number 7. Which of the following is the most important thing to start a project? Composition, start playing games, do not need to do anything, just start it. Compose project details and take approval from the client. So I think composition is the right option, but it can be this one because this is also compose. But I will go for this. Composition is the most important thing to start a project. Let's move to question number 8. People who see your content without paid distribution is known as paid reach, organic reach, native reach or unorganic reach. So there is organic reach and there is paid reach. So organic reach is totally organic and unpaid, and paid reach is the through ads. So this is the right answer. Question number 9. Which type of clients you should avoid in freelance market? Unrated clients, professional clients, aged clients, or female clients? So unrated clients, you have to see the rating. अगर रेटिंग अच्छी है उसकी प्रोफाइल की तो आप उस क्लाइंट के पास जा सकते हैं, और अगर रेटिंग अच्छी नहीं है तो आप अवॉइड किया करें, और यहाँ रेटिंग है ही नहीं तो आपको ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, उसको आप छोड़ दें, स्किप कर दें और आप किसी अच्छे क्लाइंट के पास जाएं. So our last question is, Facebook is a dash website, static, social media, blogging or portfolio? So Facebook is a social media website. So here our quiz is finished. So guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in another video. Thank you.